Well, if I'm with Fem, she's famous.
Hey, welcome to this kind of vlog. I'm currently on my way to the Design Leadership Summit, which is run by the We Are Design X community here in Toronto. And there's a lot of good talks and a lot of cool people going, so I'm really excited. Come along and I'll show you what it's like. Also, a special shout out to Figma, not at all sponsored, but they offered me this free ticket, which is really, really nice of them. They've got such cool folks working there, it's really awesome. So thank you so much for letting me come to this conference. Okay, so Mac.
Yep.
What do you think of the conference so far?
It's pretty good. I think the crazy thing is understanding how to design for scale, and then understanding how different types of people add different things to your teams and create impact that way.
Was it Jenna? Was that her name? Did a really cool talk from Dropbox Design about how to be inclusive, and she gave some really good tips for like how to be inclusive like right now and make a difference now and not have to wait like 5 years to make change in your company. So.
Yeah, I think individually we can have like an impact on that, especially from just being a little bit more open on the internet, because that
Totally.
You know, we've all got a voice in this. I think we can help change the industry like partially from our own viewpoint in what we do on the internet.
Free
Hit me up.
advice.
This conference, I'm still trying to figure that out, but I think empathy is the biggest takeaway, is like understanding other people's point of views and trying to connect the dots, I guess, between different people. So like having empathy for their point of view on a project, listening to them, but also like kind of figuring out what they're actually saying, I think is really important.
I think a good design leader creates partnerships and builds a relationship with their partners, sets vision and grow their people, so it's people first.
In my years of leading design teams, I've come to realize the most important thing about being a good design leader is to be able to manage myself.
I think it's a lot of what makes a good designer, honestly. It's having empathy, not just for your users, but your team and your colleagues. Because that just allows you to connect with people and really get things done that need to be done, at the company that you're working at.
So it is a couple of days after the conference and I realized I forgot to wrap it up. So I wanted to share that I thought this was a really, really good conference, and I think it's great to see that there's a conference focused on design leadership, especially here in Toronto. I've been to a lot of conferences that are more kind of junior focused or for people new to the industry. So I think this is a great conference for anyone who's a few years into their career, maybe even your senior or director level at your company, and wanting to connect with other folks about design leadership. Definitely recommend this summit. Shout out to the Design X community. I will leave a link where you can go and sign up to be a part of the community if you're interested. It's totally free. They do pretty regular events and meetups that I often attend, so if you join the community, I might see you there. Also, thanks to the special folks and speakers who participated in this video by telling you what they think makes a good design manager. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you for coming along with me on this conference video. See you next time.